Hi friends, now we'll discuss fields in Customer Master. So in the previous video, I have discussed some of the fields. So in this video, I am discussing the remaining fields in Customer Master. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like the video and please share this video with your friends. So now we'll see the fields. So here we are seeing in sales area data screen in shipping tab, we are seeing the first field delivery priority. This field will help to classify the customers into high delivery priority, medium delivery priority, and low delivery priority. So the purpose of delivery priority is it will help to process back order processing. So here we'll maintain like 01 means high delivery priority. For high delivery priority customers, we'll maintain 01, and for medium delivery priority customers, we'll maintain 02 here, and 03 for low delivery priority customers. So next we'll see order combination. So this order combination field is prerequisite to combine multiple orders into single delivery. So if you check this, so then only system will combine multiple orders into single delivery. And next we'll see shipping conditions. This field is one of the parameter to determine the shipping point into sales document. In a shipping condition in this field, we'll maintain 01 or 10. So 01 means here it is a standard which will determine manual shipping point or automatic shipping point, and 10 if you maintain 10, so 10 means it is immediate shipping point. It will determine immediate shipping point. Next, delivering plant. So here if you maintain plant here in this field, so then this plant will be determined into sales document, and the criteria to determine plant into sales document is CMIR, customer master, and material master. So first preference is CMIR, second preference customer master, and third preference is material master. Next, relevant for POD. So friends, here POD means proof of delivery. So if you check relevant for POD, then system will not create invoice until we receive acknowledgement from the customer. So and the T code to receive POD acknowledgement is VLPOD. And POD time frame. So if you mention number of days here, and if customer fails to send acknowledgement within the number of days, then system will allow to create invoice without acknowledgement. And the next field is a complete delivery required. So if you check this complete delivery required, so then system will not allow to confirm partial quantities, and system will not allow to partial deliveries. And next, if you see partial delivery per item, so this field controls whether to allow partial deliveries or not, and it also controls how many maximum partial deliveries to be allowed. So if you maintain blank here, so which means maximum 9 partial deliveries are allowed, and if you maintain D, so D means unlimited partial deliveries, and if you maintain C here, letter C, so it means complete delivery. So if you maintain C here, you have to check this complete delivery required. And next we have unlimited tolerance. So if you check unlimited tolerance, then system will allow to increase or decrease the quantities in the delivery document without any limitations. So after creating the order, so in the delivery document, if you want to increase or decrease the quantity, so you have to check this unlimited tolerance. And here in this next fields, under delivery tolerance and over delivery tolerance. So if you see the first one, under delivery tolerance, if you maintain some percentage here, then system will allow to decrease the quantities in delivery documents up to that percentage. And if the percentage exceeds, then system will give warning message. Suppose uh, under delivery tolerance, 30% is suppose if you maintain, and if the order quantity is 100, so you can decrease up to 30 quantity. And if you decrease beyond that, means if you decrease 31 quantity, means if delivery if you do up to 70 quantity, it will allow. So if you do delivery 69 quantity, so system will give warning message. And in the same way, over delivery tolerance, so if you maintain some percentage here, so then system will allow to increase the quantities in delivery document up to that percentage, and if the percentage exceeds, then system will give warning message or error message. So here also same way, suppose if you maintain 30 percentage, and if the order quantity is 100, so you can do delivery up to 130 quantity. And if you are doing delivery from more than 130, means suppose 131, 132, so system will give warning message or error message. So next here, a rebate. So this field is one of the prerequisite to process the rebates for customers. So if you check rebates, then only system will allow to process rebates for customers. And rebate is a special kind of discount, and it is a conditional discount which will be valid over a specific period of time. And next, see invoicing dates. So here we maintain calendar. So if customer requirement is invoice to be raised only on a specific date of every month, then we will use this field invoicing dates. So we'll create calendar and we'll maintain here. So invoicing list date also, same we will create calendar and we'll maintain here. And if you see the next field, Incoterms. Incoterms means international commercial terms. So which is an agreement between shipper and receiver for the successful completion of deliveries. So Incoterms specifies who is responsible for freight and insurance, and generally will maintain Incoterms as the CIF, and CIF means cost, insurance and freight, and you have like FOB also, like free on board. So like that we'll maintain here Incoterms. And next, terms of payment. So terms of payment means it is like a credit period, and if you want to define, means it is an agreement between the company and customer for the number of days given to make the payment, or you can also call it as a credit period also. Friends, now we'll see a path to define terms of payment. So the path is the SPRO, reference IMG, and go to sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. And go to master data. Go to business partners. Go to customers. go to billing document, this one billing document, click here and click on IMG activity, define terms of payment. And here go to new entries and you can define here payment terms. Like standard will define 0001 immediate payment. So here you can define your own terms of payment like 0030 or Z030. Like you can give here description of payment terms 30 days, and here you can mention discount here, cash discount you can mention. Suppose here our payment terms is 30 days, means due date credit period is 30 days. So but if the customer makes within 10 days, so you can mention some percentage here like 2 or 3% cash discount. If customer makes payment within 15 days, 1% cash discount, like that you can mention. And here you have to mention the credit period. Suppose here we are taking 30 days like that. So here we can mention credit period cash discount. So like this you can define payment terms. And here we have one term like baseline date. So what does baseline date means? It's a date from which system starts calculating the credit period. It's a date from which system starts calculating the credit period. Suppose here we are taking a credit period as 30 days. So we are taking a credit period as 30 days. Suppose order is created on 29, delivery on 1st, and invoice on 3rd. So in general, invoice date is taken as baseline date, and here we are taking payment terms as 30 days. So the due date will be 2nd of October. So this is a baseline date. In general, we'll take invoice date as baseline date. And here we have like fixed day. So if you mention fixed day, then every month that date will be taken as baseline date, irrespective of invoice date. So suppose if you mention some date here, so that date will be taken as baseline date. And you have one more term like additional months. So if you mention additional month as 1, then the baseline date will be postponed by 1 month from the date of invoice. So in the previous case we have seen like invoice is created on 3rd. So if you mention additional month as 1, so baseline date will be like 3rd of invoice is created on 3rd 09 September. So that is a baseline date. But so here previous example 39 is the baseline date. If you mention additional month as 1, so this baseline date will be postponed to 3/10, and from that due date is calculated. So that due date will finally it will become 3/11. So that is nothing but additional month. And we see the next field, payment guarantee procedure. So payment guarantee procedure means if you mention payment guarantee procedure, then system will not allow to create delivery until we receive payment guarantee from the customer. So if you mention here payment guarantee, so we may, in general we mention payment guarantee procedure as 0001, that is nothing but letter of credit process, letter of credit. So until unless we receive payment guarantee from the customer, so delivery is not created. So that is nothing but payment guarantee. Next we have account assignment group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account while posting invoice values into accounting. So when we create invoice, system generates accounting document and the accounting entry is customer account debit to revenue account credit. And for the revenue account, system determines GL account based on account assignment group, this one. And next, tax classification. So this field controls whether the customer is liable for tax or not. And if the customer is liable for tax, you have to mention here as 1, means customer is liable for tax. And if the customer is not liable for tax, so then you have to maintain 0 here. So thanks for watching. So please like the video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.